Welcome to Unify University. You're in the new customer setup checklist module. My name is Adara, and I will be your guide. If you or your team recently purchased Unify and are looking to get your infra set up to be ready to send, you're in the right place. Start with this module and work your way step by step through all of the videos, and then progress to Unify 101. If, however, you're just visiting from somewhere across the internet, welcome. I do not recommend you start here because a lot of this is going to be your setup and configuration. So instead, I recommend starting in Unify 101. With that, let's do a brief tour of the Unify platform. Unify is an all-in-one system of action for go-to-market teams. It's a way for you to intelligently automate your outbound so that you can reach out to people that are visiting your website at the right time with the right message. It's also a way for you to reach out to people in your territory, accounts going to conferences, and so much more. Unify is trusted by some of the fastest growing companies in the world to book hundreds of meetings a month by running automated outbound plays at scale. Last but not least, Unify has incredible AI agent functionality. These agents can listen for signals in your territory, automatically prospect for you, and generate personalized messaging at scale. The way you use Unify in 3 steps is: first, you define the audience of people that you're reaching out to. Second, you write the sequence or the messaging that they're going to receive. And third, you put it all together in a play, which is a series of steps or an outbound workflow that automates this entire process for you after you've defined it. The UI of Unify reflects this. Here we see the audience of people we can reach out to. They can be companies or people that are visiting our website, or we can upload a CSV of people that, let's just say, maybe we met them at an event. The second part is the sequences that we want to send to them. This is the messaging, and we put everything together in plays. Plays are a series of steps or workflows that automate this entire process for us so that we can build and define hundreds of plays and automate our outbound at scale. And last but not least, we do have dashboards that show us leading indicators and lagging indicators of what's working and what's not working. In this setup checklist, we're going to first configure our CRM, our sending times, our exclusions, and our personas. And finally, we'll work together to define our audience, our first sequence, and our first play. So that concludes the initial tour of Unify. I'm so excited for you to get into the platform and to start building plays and sequences together. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.